Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to study about the intent in activities. That is how intent is related with the activities. So you will get to know about the answer of this question when you watch the entire lecture. So let's start this lecture. To demonstrate the concept of intent regarding with activities, I am going to take an example of Gmail application. So when you open your Gmail application, the first screen that you saw in front of your screen is called activity. So I am going to call this activity as a first activity. So when the user clicks on this compose email button, then it will start another activity that I am going to call as second activity. Now at this point of time, the second activity is currently in a visible state, means the second activity is visible in front of the user screen. Moving forward, the startup of this second activity is done with the help of a special class called intent. Now, if the user press on the back button, then the second activity shuts down and it will migrate it to the back to the first activity. So this is how the intent is related with the activities. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.